In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a silhouette in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. This is a great technique if you want to create bold thumbnail graphics, poster style designs, social media visuals, or clean artistic effects from any photo. And the best part is, we're going to do it in a non-destructive way, so you can always go back and make changes later if you need to. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop by going to File and then Open. Choose the photo you want to turn into a silhouette and bring it into your workspace. Once your image is open, the first thing we need to do is isolate the subject from the background. To do that, go up to the top menu, open the window menu, and make sure Properties is turned on. In the Properties panel, scroll down until you see Quick Actions, then click Remove Background. Photoshop will automatically detect your subject, create a layer mask, and hide the background for you. You should now see your subject sitting on a transparent checkerboard background, which means the background has been removed successfully. Now that the subject is isolated, the next step is to create a background that will make the silhouette stand out. A silhouette always looks best on a clean, contrasting background, so you can use something simple like white, grey, a bright color, or even a sunset style tone depending on the look you want. To do this, go to the top menu and click Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Solid Color. Click OK and Photoshop will ask you to pick a color. Choose the background color you want, then click OK again. After that, go to your Layers panel, grab the new color fill layer, and drag it underneath your subject layer. This is important because the background needs to sit behind the subject so the silhouette effect looks correct. Now comes the part that really creates the silhouette. Instead of painting over the subject directly, which can damage the image and make it harder to edit later, we're going to use a color overlay effect. This is a much better method because it keeps everything flexible. In the Layers panel, click once on your subject layer so it's highlighted. Then go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Effects icon, also known as FX. From the menu that appears, select Color Overlay. This opens the Layer Style window where you can control how the overlay looks. Inside the Layer Style box, set the blend mode to normal. Then click the color swatch and choose pure black. If you want a different silhouette style, you can choose another dark color, but black is the classic silhouette look. After that, move the opacity slider all the way up to 100% so the subject becomes fully solid. Once everything looks right, click OK. Photoshop will instantly turn your subject into a clean, bold silhouette shape. And that's it. You've now created a silhouette in Photoshop using a simple, professional, and non-destructive workflow. The great thing about this method is that you can still go back and change the background color, adjust the overlay, or refine the mask anytime you want. That makes it perfect for beginners and also really useful for designers who want speed and control. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, editing tips, and creative design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.